Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug a certified Lightning cable into your iPhone and into the MG Hector USB port labeled for Apple CarPlay. Once done, turn the car to ACC or on so the infotainment system boots. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on the phone. You'll also need to unlock the iPhone and accept any trust prompts. This fast initial setup avoids pairing timeouts and ensures the head unit detects a CarPlay request immediately. Next, on the MG Hector display, choose Apple CarPlay or smartphone projection from the input list. The system scans for a connected device. When the iPhone shows a trust, this computer prompt, tap trust, and enter your passcode where required, because this authorizes app access. Once CarPlay appears, you can arrange icons and map shortcuts on the Hector Touch console. You do this to prioritize navigation and media. That way your most used apps are one tap away while driving. To finalize, route audio output to CarPlay in the MG audio settings and test navigation voice, music playback, and phone calls so everything routes correctly. Use Siri for hands-free control, say "Hey Siri" or press the steering button, because voice access reduces distraction. If CarPlay does not connect, unplug and try a different Apple-certified cable, toggle iPhone Bluetooth, reboot the phone, and restart the vehicle. This resolves most handshake issues quickly. If problems persist, check for infotainment software updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.